This is Luis at the site of Pure Mind Retreats, and we're doing something really fun today. Here in the jungle of Nicaragua, south of San Juan del Sur, in the village of Escamequita, we've held several natural building workshops at Centro Educativo Suelo Sano. In this video, we are showing the different steps involved in building with light clay straw, also known as Bajareque. First, we cover the straw with clay slip, or a wet clay mixture. It's important that all the straw is completely covered with clay. Our goal here is just to make sure that none of it looks like this anymore, that it's all brown. And so we just mix it until it's all brown, and then once it's covered, we squeeze out as much clay as we can before we put it in place. It's almost all covered in clay, and what we do is you grab a nice quantity and squeeze out as much clay as you can. I like to make kind of a long piece that will support itself like this, and then I put it into the wall here. This is already kind of wet, so I don't think we have to worry about it. We just put it in here like this, and wherever we can find support for it, we'll just hang it on there, and then tomorrow it'll be super hard. In fact, within a couple of hours it'll be really hard, and we can fill in any other spaces tomorrow with whatever we make.
Hace días perdí en alguna cantina la mitad de mi alma, va a ser 15 de propina. No es que sea.
The great advantage of Bajareque is how fast a structure can be built with minimal materials.
Pero ayuda a olvidar cuando no ves la salida. Hoy te intento contar que todo va bien, aunque no te lo creas. Aunque a estas alturas el último esfuerzo no valga la pena. Hoy los buenos recuerdos se quedan por las
Just like that? Wherever it will hold up, you know. You have to arrange it to where it will stay up. I usually kind of put it more up, standing up. Yeah, because it has more stands more. It uses its own support.
Sueños de habitación de un hotel de carretera y unas gotas de lluvia que guardo en esta maleta rueden por el colchón de mi cama ya desierta. Es la mejor solución por el dolor de cabeza. Hoy te intento contar que todo va bien, aunque no te lo creas. Aunque a estas alturas el último esfuerzo no Within a few hours, this mass of straw clay
will have hardened sufficiently to support successive layers of clay plaster, giving it a strength comparable to most other clay straw structures, like cob or adobe brick.